Hey guys, welcome back to episode 32 of Ride with Rooster. We're up over 100 videos on the channel now, and in this video, I'm riding again with my buddy Clayton. We're on our way back from Snakehead and Calabogie's south side, and we're actually kind of lost. And it's getting kind of dark. Well, later in the day. It's not dark yet, but it will be soon. And then we come down and end up at this big kind of a mud spot here where I dump my bike over. The rest of it's pretty slow going just because of the leaves and everything. And I don't at this point in my riding career, I didn't have that much experience at Calabogie, so not as adept on this terrain and as quick as I have been since moving here and living here. But this was back in 2022. Great ride with Clayton on the CRF230, me riding the 2014 KTM XCW300, and it's always awesome riding in Calabogie. So just enjoy the video, guys, and as always, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified when new videos come out, because I've got tons of content coming. And comment on the videos. That would be awesome. I'd like to hear your comments. If you've been to Calabogie, if you've ridden here, whatever your thoughts on dirt biking are. Rooster's here to talk about dirt bikes. I live, eat, and breathe dirt bikes and riding single track. So enjoy the video, guys, and there'll be a new one coming soon. And we'll see you on the channel.
Whoopsie!
What a spot.
Shouldn't have grabbed my fucking throttle there.
Oh,
there we go.
You see things like this and wonder, like, could they not have
Just a chainsaw right here.
chainsaw up right up there? Look at that.
Fuck.
Just go around it right there and then across.
Shit.
Looks like it's a shitty old four-wheeler trail.
You think so?
Well, it must have been at one point.
Whoopsie!
What the hell?
Take a look. I have to take a leak anyway.
Yeah, we're just going in deep. Now we've turned and we're not even heading.